And our intention for the week is I find the bravery to sit gently with my emotions. Today, we took an hour to create the space to really focus our awareness on, even when it's difficult, sitting gently with our emotions, being alongside a warm community of people who are there to support you. Bring that intention, bring that support into the week. You don't have to spend a lot of time with these things, and go only as deep as you can go at that moment. But use this as an opportunity, use this week as a a week to practice what it looks like to slow down and get curious about what those feelings are in your body and what emotions might be coming up.